Chinese President Xi Jinping wanted to present himself in this speech in front of the WHO as a responsible world leader, especially making a stark contrast with the United States' Donald Trump, who cut funding to the WHO. So the Chinese president here making a raft of announcements, chiefly the fact that China will contribute $2 billion of aid over the next 2 years to help in the global fight against COVID-19, with a special emphasis on developing nations, and also saying that once China develops a vaccine, it will be deployed and made available as a public good, especially again to developing countries, with the Chinese president emphasizing the relationship between China and Africa. So President Xi Jinping really in a way responding to some of the criticisms that have been addressed and directed to China, a very defensive posture. Some of those criticisms was obviously the fact that China silenced some of its whistleblowers in the scientific community at the beginning of the outbreak, and another criticism being that it did not communicate effectively on how dangerous and contagious the virus was at the beginning. President Xi Jinping in his speech reiterated the statement that China acted responsibly and transparently throughout the pandemic.